With this iPhone trick, I'm going to show you how you can hear what they say about you when you leave the room. You might want to be a little bit careful with this one. Grab your phone, let's jump into it. From your home screen, when you swipe from the top right to the bottom left, this brings up your control center. Right now that light's flashing because I'm recording my screen. But this is where you'll see right next to that the little ear or hearing. I'm going to show you how to add that. Once again, you'll go back by just swiping from the bottom to the top, and you're going to click on Settings. When you get to Settings, you're going to click on Control Center. And anything in the top here has already been added to your control center. So if you have not added hearing, then you're going to find it down here in the bottom where it's green. And all you're going to do is simply hit that plus button and it's going to add it back up top. Now when I close out of here and I swipe from the top right to the bottom left, you're going to see that hearing device, although it moved all the way to the bottom for this here. What you're going to do is from here is you're going to click on the ear, and then you're going to click right here on Live Listen. Since I have a microphone plugged in, it won't work, but when you click on Live Listen, you're going to put in an earbud and then set your phone down and leave the room, and that Live Listen feature will listen to anything that's going on inside the room. If you like this video, there's more right up above me, more iPhone tricks that you might find useful. And once again, if you like this video, I'd love it if you hit that thumbs up, the subscribe button, and the bell notification so you don't miss a single video. And as always, thanks for watching and make it a great day.